Welcome to Bike Buzzin', your go-to destination for all things motorcycles. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most highly anticipated dirt bikes of 2025, the Yamaha YZ450F. Known for its power, performance, and advanced features, Yamaha has once again pushed the boundaries of motocross engineering. So, let's take a closer look at what the 2025 YZ450F brings to the table. Design and build quality. The 2025 Yamaha YZ450F carries over much of the sleek, aggressive look that fans of the YZ series have come to love. However, there are some key refinements that elevate the overall aesthetic and functionality. The frame, made from lightweight aluminum, ensures that the bike remains durable while offering an impressive power-to-weight ratio. The 2025 model also features a more compact design, offering better ergonomics for riders of all sizes. The bodywork has been redesigned to offer improved aerodynamics, reducing drag while maintaining the bike's iconic blue and white color scheme. The graphics have been subtly updated to give the YZ450F a more modern, aggressive look while still paying homage to its roots. Every detail has been carefully crafted to ensure that the bike is both visually striking and optimized for maximum performance. Engine and performance. The heart of the 2025 Yamaha YZ450F is its powerful 450cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke engine. Yamaha has made significant updates to the engine management system, ensuring that the bike delivers smooth and consistent power across all RPM ranges. With the inclusion of a new lightweight piston, enhanced intake, and exhaust systems, this year's model promises quicker throttle response and better fuel efficiency. One standout feature is the bike's advanced electronic fuel injection system, which has been fine-tuned to adapt to different riding conditions and environments. Whether you're racing on a muddy track or tackling steep climbs, the YZ450F's engine provides the kind of torque and power you need to stay ahead of the competition. The engine's power delivery is further refined through Yamaha's Power Tuner app, which allows riders to easily adjust the bike settings via Bluetooth. This system is perfect for fine-tuning the bike's performance to match your personal riding style and the specific demands of a track or trail. Suspension and handling. The YZ450F has long been known for its exceptional suspension system, and the 2025 model is no exception. Featuring KYB's speed-sensitive system, SSS, the front and rear suspension offer improved stability, control, and comfort even in the roughest conditions. The suspension has been tuned to provide better responsiveness, particularly on high-impact terrain, allowing riders to push the bike to its limits without sacrificing control. The bike's handling is responsive and precise, with the improved geometry making it easier to corner and navigate tight tracks. Whether you're hitting jumps or handling sharp turns, the YZ450F is built to give you maximum confidence and control. Advanced technology and features. Yamaha continues to integrate cutting-edge technology into its bikes, and the 2025 YZ450F is no exception. The Yamaha Power Tuner app is a standout feature as it allows riders to adjust engine parameters on the fly, optimizing performance for specific track conditions or personal preferences. This tool is invaluable for competitive riders who need to dial in their setup for peak performance. Additionally, the launch control system helps riders get off the line with precision, providing optimal traction and preventing the bike from spinning out when you need it most. Whether you're racing on a dirt track or conquering natural terrain, these technological advancements ensure that the YZ450F stays ahead of the curve. The electric start is another welcome addition, making it easier to get the bike up and running in any situation. Gone are the days of kicking your bike over. With the simple press of a button, the 2025 YZ450F fires right up, letting you focus on the ride. Durability and maintenance. Yamaha has always been known for producing reliable, durable motorcycles, and the 2025 YZ450F is no exception. The bike is built to withstand the toughest conditions, from the most demanding races to long trail rides. The frame, suspension, and engine components are designed with durability in mind, ensuring that riders get the most out of their investment. Maintenance is also made easier with several new updates. The air filter, for example, is now simpler to access, reducing the time it takes for riders to maintain their bike between races or rides. The engine is designed to be more efficient and durable, meaning fewer visits to the mechanic for repairs. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Yamaha YZ450F comes with a price tag that reflects its top-tier features and performance. Typically, the YZ450F is positioned in the mid to high price range, and this year's model is expected to follow suit. However, given the advanced technology, enhanced suspension, and overall performance upgrades, The cost is well worth it for serious motocross enthusiasts and competitive riders. As of now, the 2025 Yamaha YZ450F is expected to hit showrooms in the spring of 2025, so be sure to check with your local Yamaha dealer for availability and pricing in your area. Conclusion: the 2025 Yamaha YZ450F continues Yamaha's tradition of delivering cutting-edge technology, superior performance, and exceptional handling. Whether you're racing at the highest level or just out for a fun day on the trails, this bike has the power and features to make every ride unforgettable. From its sleek design to its powerful engine and advanced tech, the YZ450F is a bike built for riders who demand the best. That's all for today's review of the 2025 Yamaha YZ450F. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Bike Buzzin' for more motorcycle reviews and news. Until next time, keep buzzing and stay tuned for more exciting content.